Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and having a nice weekend. This week's video is going to be a bit different compared to the other only fashion videos that you have seen on my channel. For this week I decided to show you a bit also of my everyday life. For those of you who don't know, I work in the legal field. I am working right now in a consultant firm. I would say what is called like a standard 9-to-5 job, so like working 100% every day of the week. I would say, a very busy week normally. Like working like a normal 100% job is a lot, and I also then like use the weekends for filming for YouTube or like editing and so on, just so that I have like the video then ready for Sundays. But like always in my videos I've shown only kind of like the fashion side, but I thought that maybe I will combine this also with this kind of like short vlog showing you kind of a week in my life, realistic things that I do during my week, and just like combining also a little bit with my work. I work, I would say mostly, or I do mostly home office, but I only go like one day of the week to the office. My office is in Zurich and I live currently in Bern, which is like around 1.5 hours away of a train ride. So this week I will actually go on Wednesday to the office and I'll also take you guys with me there. But yeah, I have like, I would say quite a busy job. I have a lot to do during the day. So it's not one of those like I would say home office job that you see sometimes on Instagram, people doing other stuff like at the same time, because it's like there's really a lot to do. But I decided like for this week to just kind of like shoot some clips while I'm working and so on, so that you can also have like an insight into that. So for reference, today is actually a Tuesday, so I'm starting this week on a Tuesday because yesterday I was lazy, so I decided to do this today. I actually have today one meeting, which I'll also have later at the day, but right now before I start I wanted to kind of like put my room a bit in order. It's a bit messy right now because during the week we were not at home, so I could not really like figure stuff out in my room, so I decided to kind of like tidy a bit around and then I will start working. I have a couple of tasks that I need to finish now in the morning, and then I will continue with some other tasks, have some lunch break, and then I will continue with the rest of my day. Alright guys, I work now for a bit. I finished a couple of things that I had to send in the morning, and now I am having my lunch break. I'm not gonna have a super long lunch break today because I have a meeting afterwards and I want to kind of like get a bit ready for that. I prepared kind of like this very easy sandwich and I'm gonna eat like some peaches. I will then like continue working, and I'll take you guys with me. Guys, I finished for today's work. It was a long day, but now is finally the evening and I can just enjoy my free time. And what better way to do that than just like with some me time, with some skincare time. I really like to do that because it really like calms me down and just helps me kind of like to unwind from like the busy days that I have at work. And with that being said, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Goodie Box. This is a subscription-based company that kind of brings to your door a box with a lot of, I would say, skincare, makeup items, just everything that has to do with this like kind of like unwinding time that you can have after work and after just finishing all the tasks that you have planned for the day. I was actually really impressed. They sent me like this very beautiful box. They have a lot of like variety in their products, and it's just like so cool like what they have kind of like created in these boxes, like such like a cool variety that kind of like touches upon different areas, like be it like your hair, your body, your skin, makeup, and so on. Just to have like that complete, I would say, your me time, or like the time that you take like for yourself. I would like to open with you guys this box. and we can just kind of like see what's inside. It's really cool. I have, for example, this shampoo, which is like a revitalizing redition. It comes from Terre de Mar, which is actually like a brand that I knew, but I have actually never tried their products, so I'm actually like very excited to kind of give this a try. It has like coffee extract, wheat protein, which is actually like very good for the hair. And then they have this highlighter stick, which is so cool. It's like a glow highlighter from MCO Beauty. Then they have a deodorant, which is kind of like a neutral, like a natural one, like a vegan one. It has eucalyptus inside. It comes from a brand that I actually don't recognize, Melon and Goats, if I am pronouncing this correctly. I don't know, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Actually, I put that on before because I didn't wait to open the box. It actually smells really nice, but also like very neutral. Like you cannot really like feel it as much. Like you know, like one of those like very intense sometimes deodorants that I generally don't like, but this one looks pretty cute. Also like super practical to actually get in your bag and just have it with you all the time. Really like that. Then they have this one, which is a hair scalp massager. Super cute. I actually had a similar one of these a couple of years ago. Somehow like I lost that, so it's like really nice to have that. It's also very relaxing to do like in the shower. Then they put in a Boost Eye Serum. This is from Able Skincare London. Also like something that I'm very excited to try. I don't take as much care, I would say, of my under eye area, which is probably something that I should start doing. So I'm actually like excited to try this Boost Serum. I think I also read somewhere that this also has like some type of like coffee extract, which is also like I think very good for like revitalizing your skin. Then they put a body gel. This is a detox body gel, which comes in this coconut and green tea extract, which are super good ingredients for the skin. And then lastly, they have a mascara from the brand Benefit. I think that everyone knows this brand. It's super famous, also like a very good one. I have like my eyebrow products from this brand, and this is I'd say a super curling and lifting mascara. I'm very actually excited to try. This is like a very cool box, you guys. I'm actually like very excited. They actually gave me a code or a link for you guys where you can click and you can order through my link, and if you order through my link you will also get a free product in the box, and I've actually chosen the product for you, and it's going to be this Renew and Refine Pore Detox Revival Serum. I thought this also like a super like nice addition to the box, especially like for like me time, or you can just put on kind of like you know, like a serum and just take care of your skin so that it's like, you know, all like healthy and so on. But with my link you can order, and then you will get also this like free product in your box. For your information, Goodie Box Switzerland offers free delivery. This is a box in the value of 75 Swiss francs, which by clicking or if you buy like through their subscription program, you will only pay 29.95 Swiss francs a month, which is like a great price, you guys. Like if you consider the price of all these products together, and if also you consider that some of these products were actually like in their original sizing, like that's really a good price, and you should definitely like take this into account if you are maybe also looking to just get like some surprise products every month and just like try to test like some new ones, and maybe add them then to your like skincare routine or to your me time and so on. So yeah, I really love that. As I said, like I really love that me time after working and just like unwinding, watching some TV, chill and stuff like that. And that is also like why I considered like doing this subscription, because it's like such a cool thing, and I would definitely recommend you guys to also check it out. I will also link everything in the description box down below. Thank you as well, Goodie Box, for sponsoring this video and for collaborating with me. Morning guys, it's the next day. I actually got a bit ready. I kind of did all my skincare, put on some concealer and just, you know, like some moisturizer, sunscreen, all this stuff. I actually wanted to try quickly this mascara that I showed you from the goodie box that I received, just because I got a bit like curious yesterday and I haven't actually like tried it. Look at that guys, like the difference. This one I haven't put anything on my eyelashes, and look at that. It is definitely like very lifting. Okay, I'm definitely like pleasantly surprised. It looks cute, I really like it. Adding this to my makeup kit. I'll also put a bit of this highlighter that I also received yesterday, and I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I mean, during the home office days, I don't like to put on a ton of makeup, just, you know, like some like the basis, like just doing my skincare, which I usually do either way, and then I just put on like some basic mascara and a little bit of blush sometimes, and just like, you know, a bit of like this tinted lip balm, which I use so much. Is like the main thing that I use even like before meetings and so on, just to like, you know, look a bit more presentable. This one is from the Burt's Bees, which is like one of my favorite brands when it comes to like lip balms and so on. So yeah, really cool. I made myself a cup of coffee because it's early. It's really early. And I actually wanted to do like two things before I start working. One is to vacuum clean my room, and then secondly, I wanted to do like my laser hair treatment, which I have been doing at home, because I had to do it yesterday, but because I was so busy and I was at the office, I didn't, because when I came home I was exhausted, and as you saw from the clip, I literally like watched like some YouTube videos, and then I also had to do laundry, and then we just ordered out, and that was it, kind of like that was the day for me. So I was like too lazy, so I'm probably gonna do that now, and then I'll start working. Look at how big this cup is, you guys. It's huge. It's literally the size of my hand, and it's also like super big, but I really like it. I got this at a vintage shop. I don't know if I am the only one that is like obsessed with mugs. Guys, I love mugs. Like, find me the cutest, artsiest mugs and I'm gonna spend my money on it because I love them. I have like a collection of mugs at our apartment, and they are just like all different, and I love it because I wake up in the morning like, okay, today I'm feeling like this mug, you know? Like, I don't know if I'm the only one. Like, comment down below if you also like are doing the same thing. Good morning guys, I hope you are doing well. It is the next day. It's Saturday. I actually just got ready. I am gonna go to the city, maybe do a little bit of maybe shopping for some cosmetic stuff, and maybe also some plants for the balcony. And this is my outfit. I am just wearing like this top that I just got from Mango, which is super cute now for the summertime. Excuse the mess in the background. And yeah, I just like wearing a pair of like jeans, super simple, like from Zara from I think last year, and these pair of like easy shoes or easy like loafers that I got from H&M also, like I think last year. And yeah, this is how I'm looking. Hello everyone, it's Monday, it's a new week. Yesterday I didn't really like film much. It was Sunday and we kind of just like spent some time like with friends, and then in the evening I just kind of like lay on the sofa and just chill, to be honest. But yeah, today is Monday, it's a new week. I have some deadlines for next week that I need to work on this week, also another task that I need to finish this week, so I definitely need to, you know, work and like do some things, because, you know, like with deadlines you never know, like during the week like extra things can come and then you're just like behind on everything. So I always kind of like, whenever I have free time, I just like want to like dedicate it to also like deadlines that are coming like for the next weeks and so on, just so that I'm a bit like on plan with everything. So I didn't have any meetings in the morning, that's why I'm still in like homeware clothes. Actually today I don't have any meetings, but I want to kind of like wear something else for the afternoon. It's actually like almost like lunchtime now, it's around 12:30 or so. So I'll probably just like go and prepare some lunch now, and then I will probably like continue working. I want to also work out today. This is kind of like the plan. I'll go now and prepare some lunch. I'll take you guys with me, and then I will continue working in the afternoon.